आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, हिट द बेल आइकन। बॉय फ्रॉम कैलिफोर्निया। दिल्ली वाली गर्मी, कैपिटल में कैपिटल जैसी गर्मी है हमारी कंट्री इंडिया। एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू शर्मा फैमिली यूएसए व्लॉग। इफ़ यू ऑलरेडी वॉच आवर लास्ट व्लॉग तो आप लोगों को पता होगा हम लोग आए हुए हैं वॉशिंगटन डीसी। तो आज है डे 2 इन वॉशिंगटन डीसी और आज हम आपको घुमाने वाले हैं काफ़ी सारे मेमोरियल्स। तो सबसे पहले हम आए हैं वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड मेमोरियल। और अगर आप हमारा वीडियो फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं और अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, हिट द बेल आइकन सो यू विल गेट ऑल द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ आवर अपकमिंग वीडियो। And this is World War II Memorial and today is very hot day.
Sunny. Hello, hello.
इतनी गर्मी में पानी का पास होना ही इतना पीसफुल लगता है। Extreme hot today. And
Hello, Ducky. Hi.
Pillars has the US state name: South Dakota, Colorado, Nevada, Kansas.
So we have 50 states in USA, and here are 50 pillars with the name on it. हर पिलर के ऊपर एक एक स्टेट का नाम लिखा हुआ है और ये सराउंडेड बाय है all the 50 pillars from here to there. Here Ashu is clicking Avish picture and Avish is posing for camera. This one is Alaska, Arizona. Yeah. See, I mean we visited when Avish was 8 months old, right?
Washington DC.
This is Washington, not
This
DC.
is Washington, where the Seattle is.
Seattle. You went Seattle, remember? South Dakota, Avish.
And
Colorado, we already went Colorado. We visit Nevada. Kansas, you know, Vivan is from Kansas. He used to live in Kansas.
ये ना हमारे उसमें रूम में पिक्चर लग रही है, होटल रूम में।
या हमारे होटल रूम में ये वाला पिक्चर लगा हुआ है, लाइक दिस। या
You can see the view from there.
And then comes the
World War II.
Texas.
Michigan, Missouri.
I told her, I was like, right now they're just
Georgia, Pennsylvania. I think that side. Hawaii. Price of freedom. Oh, this is the Freedom Wall.
this is the Freedom Wall.
4,048 gold star. Each gold star represents 100 American service personnel who died and remained missing in the war.
Oh my
The 405, 100, 399.
Americans is doing all.
Here we mark the price of all the stars.
Yeah. So now we have to go to reflection pool.
So that's called reflection pool. So you will get the reflection of the Lincoln Memorial from there.
Over there.
Wow. And this is California. You wanna go this side, Avish? Stay.
You want a picture with California? So here is the boy from California. इधर ये था World War II मेमोरियल एंड दिस साइड इज लिंकन मेमोरियल रिफ्लेक्टिंग पूल. वहाँ पे जो लिंकन मेमोरियल है उसका पूरा रिफ्लेक्शन यहाँ पर आता है पानी में.
वाला reflection.
Yeah. So I don't know it's that much visible in the video or not.
This one is the Lincoln Memorial reflecting pool, and you can see there. That's the reflection of Lincoln Memorial in the water. So that's why it's called the Lincoln Memorial reflecting pool.
भी जाते हैं और देखते हैं पास से लिंकन मेमोरियल. Oh, you can see that. What is this? A big fly. तो यहाँ पर ये पार्क है और पार्क में लोग खेल रहे हैं सॉकर.
Soccer. Hello, hello. So we are at Lincoln Memorial.
Washington Monument reflection is coming.
So we reached Lincoln Memorial. Let's go in.
Let's go inside and see. Oh, it's this many stairs. तो इधर है लिंकन मेमोरियल और उसके जस्ट सामने है वॉशिंगटन मॉन्यूमेंट. और उसके जस्ट पीछे हाइड कर रहा है यूएस कैपिटल. तो इधर कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. बट दिस इज इट.
काफी सारे steps हैं to go up. Like we are
Yeah.
coming all the way and stairs.
So they are building in basement. New visitor experience is coming to the Lincoln Memorial undercroft. Let's go up.
Temple, that's why they have lot of stairs. In this temple, as in the hearts of the people for whom we say Abraham Lincoln is this is not just a memorial, this is a temple for Abraham Lincoln, the memory of Abraham Lincoln.
So many people here. It's crowded.
दिल्ली वाली गर्मी. कैपिटल में कैपिटल जैसी गर्मी है.
चलो let's go this side. I think this is the auth.
Yeah, let's go to the next memorial now.
This is it.
After Lincoln Memorial, we are here in Korean War Memorial, and you can see that statues. They are representing 19 soldiers who fought against Korea जब US and Korea का war हुआ था. Today we are learning lot about history. Come with us.
तो ये क्राफ्ट किया हुआ है वॉल पे वॉर सोल्जर्स को इधर.
And this is stainless steel statue.
Yeah, steel statue.
Steel statue.
US soldiers who was fighting
19
in
soldiers.
who was fighting in the Korean War.
So yeah, it is written over there, na? All the countries' name.
Yeah. Freedom is not free. Someone has to sacrifice his life.
They have big cost.
Wall of Remembrance.
This is established by the American Battle Monuments Commission and the Korean War Veterans Memorial Advisory Board. यहाँ पे सब लोगों के नाम लिखे हुए हैं.
US Navy.
Just like in
Colonel, Lieutenant.
just like in India Gate पर वो दिल्ली में there are all the names
of the soldiers.
Soldiers, the same. All the name of veterans. और यहाँ पे लोगों ने रोज रखे हुए हैं.
It's a long walk.
Oh my God, lot of people sacrifice their life.
Marine Corps. This is Marine Corps. So this is from front.
We are thankful for freedom. कोई भी कंट्री जीते बट लॉस तो दोनों साइड से ही होता है ना.
Yeah.
तो यहाँ पे सारी कंट्रीज़ के नाम लिखे हुए हैं. यहाँ पर है हमारी कंट्री इंडिया. इधर है काफ़ी सारी कंट्रीज़ के नेम लिखे हुए हैं. ग्रीस, फ्रांस, इथोपिया, डेनमार्क.
मार्टिन लूथर किंग जूनियर मेमोरियल.
तो अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं मार्टिन लूथर किंग जूनियर मेमोरियल पर.
Oh, it's a big stone.
Yeah, stone of hope.
Out of the mountain of despair, a stone of hope.
And look at that one.
No, his statue is this one,
Oh,
right?
what's that?
They craft the statue.
What view?
He is the Martin Luther King Jr. See, Avish?
What's that? Good thing about here, everywhere you can get water, cold drinks, ice creams because it's very hot.
Yeah.
Though it's expensive, but at least we have options here, right?
Right.
सामने वो वाइट कलर का बिल्डिंग देख रहे हैं, वो है थॉमस जेफरसन मेमोरियल. वी कैन नॉट गो डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द वाटर.
So you have to take the walk all along the
far
this lake,
away.
right?
Yeah, though it's looking very close, but it's not that close. It's far away. It's looking very close.
We'll have it.
Hi, duckies. Duckies always come to say hi to Avish. Hi. Hi, Avish. This is little fountain this side. So he gave a lot of speech. He fought for the freedom, justice and equity for black people. I have the audacity to believe that people everywhere can have 3 meals a day for their bodies, education and culture for the minds, and dignity, equity and freedom for their spirit. So many things written here. This is the Vietnam Veteran Memorial.
अभी थोड़ा सन डाउन गया है. Feeling little relaxed. So this is Vietnam Veteran Memorial.
So these are the names written here, right? All the people who fought the war.
This is the Vietnam war names. Vietnam veterans name on the wall.
It's a big wall.
Oh God, this is so sad.
And that's the Women Veteran Memorial who fought in the war. So this is 1959 in the honor of the men and women armed force of the United States who served in the Vietnam War. Name of those who gave their lives and those who remain missing are inscribed in the order they were taken from US. Come on, Avish. 1959.
ये था हमारा वॉशिंगटन डीसी डे 2 मेमोरियल्स का व्लॉग और इसी के साथ एंड करते हैं हम अपना ये व्लॉग. अगर आपको हमारा ये व्लॉग पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. जल्दी मिलते हैं आपसे न्यू व्लॉग के साथ. टिल देन बाय बाय. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.